Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adedayo, and in this video we're going to be talking about OQHAIR. I've seen a lot of their ads. I've been stalking their page for a while now and seen a lot of their TikToks, and I'm kind of extremely excited. You can tell by how quickly I ripped open the box when they arrived. So this is the Glueless hair. It's really hot out here in Austin. It's like 100 degrees plus almost every day, or at least 90s every day. So I've been rocking my bald head, or I'll wear some of my synthetic wigs sometimes. So I'm kind of been very curious about this Glueless hair. So let's see if OQHAIR is really about what they say they are. So this is the wig that I purchased. Was I think $149. So it's not $300, which is great. It's 24 inches. Okay. So that's the lace, and then it has the band inside, not the old school straps at the bottom of the wig, so you can adjust it. It has the like right here, it has like 1, 2, 3 different locations you can place that, and then adjust this right here for the tightness. So if you don't feel like putting like the Ebin spray on there or even gluing it down, you can just do this, and I don't think that hair is going anywhere. So, since my hair is freshly shaved, I'm not going to put on a wig cap. And yeah. So in the box, they did come with the melting band. This is an HD wig cap, which I've never seen before. I am excited to try, might look into it and try it, because it's very transparent. All right, and it has their card. And it did come with lashes, but I don't do lashes, so I gave it to my friend. I have the extensions in. All right, I'm excited. Let's put this baby on. Forgot to mention, it's already pre-cut, the lace, so it looks pretty good. It looks like it's like melting pretty well without anything on there yet. I've not worn brown hair in a minute, dark hair, so I feel like it's giving me a different look. All right, now I'm going to be customizing it a little bit and putting some foundation on powder on the lace. If you guys watch my videos, you know I'm gonna do my typical one or the other. So this time I'm just going to use the Maybelline 24-hour stay powder, and I'm going to be utilizing my NYX contour stick to put towards the edge. This is wild. And that's pretty much it, guys. Wow. Wow. Like, right, Bushu? That's what I said. That's my cat. What? Yeah, all right, Mushu, come say hi. Huh! Mushu wants to say hi, everyone. She just wants to be held. Ooh, I have my lip gloss on. Do not try to kiss me on the cheek or the bottom of my chin. Thank you. All right. Well, I'm trying to show you guys the lace. This is wild. I'm obsessed. Wow. Like, what lace? Anyway, okay. And that's it. OQHAIR is that hair. I am excited to try the other ones. The curly hair. I've seen some of the other styles on their page. This is so nice, and I like that it's not too full. Okay, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Another short, quick hair tutorial video. I'll try to find the link to their Instagram page, and so if you want to order the hair, you can see the exact hair that I have on my head. I'm gonna go look back at my email, my order. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. Stay blessed, and you're quite exceptional, I must say. Bye bye. Say bye, Mushu. She's done. Bye, guys.